Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Once upon a time, a young man named Ram lived in a village. He was very hardworking, but always had a doubt in his mind whether he would be successful in his work or not. Sometimes he used to get hysterical because of this worry and get angry at others. One day, a famous monk came to his village. As soon as got the news, Ram went to meet her and said, "I work hard and I try every possible way to get success, but still I do not get success. Please tell me some solution." The monk listened to Ram very careful, and the monk understood from Ram's words what is Ram's problem. After that, the monk took out an amulet from his bag and gave it to Ram and said, "Son, the solution to your problem is in this amulet. I have written some mantras inside it which will remove all your obstacles. But first, you have to prove it, then it will work." Then Ram said, "What to do, Maharaj?" Then the hermit said, "Son, you will have to spend one night alone in the cremation ground." On hearing the name of the cremation ground, Ram's face turned pale with fear, and Ram said, trembling, "How will I be alone all night?" Then the monk explained, "Don't panic, son. This is not a minor talisman. It will save you from every crisis." After that, Ram spent the whole night in the cremation ground, and at dawn he approached the monk and said, "You are great. Really, this talisman is divine. Otherwise, a coward like me could not even go near the cremation ground to spend the night. Surely, now I will be able to achieve success." Ram changed completely after this incident. Now, whatever he does, believe that due to the power of the talisman, he will be successful in it, and gradually it happened. He started being counted among the most successful people of the village. After 1 year again, the same monk came to the village. Ram immediately went to see him and started pressing the miraculous talisman given by him. Then the monk said, "Son, please take out your amulet and give it to me." Ram looked out the talisman and gave it to the monk. Then the ascetic took the talisman in his hand and opened it, and as soon as he opened it, Rama lost his senses. He noticed that there was no mantras written inside the talisman. It was just a simple piece of metal. Ram said, "What is this, Maharaj? This is a minor talisman. Then how did it give me success?" The monk explained and said, "You said right. It was not the talisman that got you success, but the power of your faith." The monk further said, "Son, God has sent us humans here by giving us a special kind of power of faith. You were not able to succeed in your work because you did not believe in yourself. But when this talisman instills faith in you, you become successful. So instead of believing in any talisman, learn to believe in your work, your thinking, and the decision taken by you. Understand that whatever is happening for good, and surely you will succeed. You will reach the top." Ram was listening to the monk's words seriously, and he got a great lesson today that if he has to be successful in any work, he has to believe in the effort he puts in. If he believes in himself, he will go on becoming successful. So friends, success is directly related to your inner belief. If you believe in yourself, then you don't need to wear rings of different stones in your hands along with mala and talisman. It is only necessary to have faith in the mind. You can successful, and you will be successful. The gist of this story is that the more faith you have, the more success you will have. Now you have to think what you have to do, and I believe that the other name of God is faith. That is why it is said that where there is faith, there is God and Allah.